Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Alicia and this is Heart and Hand Creations and Events. And guys, this is what my centerpiece looks like for the baby shower that my daughter is having. And it is a Winnie the Pooh style or themed baby shower. And this is what I come up with. And these are the balloons that I blew up with the bunch of balloon set. And there we are, guys. So, what do you think? Let me know in the comments below if you like it. Share it. Subscribe. And don't forget to comment below. I'm going to come back in a few minutes and I'm going to show you how I made this shirt for the bear. Alright guys, so be right back.